Dros Nos is our annual sleep-in event where young people come and take over the Wales Mileniwm Centre. We do exciting activities such as creative workshops with facilitators and also do some really fun activities like silent disco. And it's a great chance for young people who have never engaged with the centre to come and take it over and make the place their own.
I really enjoyed it, and it was like a good opportunity to meet new people and have new experiences that I wouldn't have had otherwise before that. So yeah, I did enjoy it.
I've enjoyed meeting a lot of new people, and I've enjoyed doing the silent disco. I feel like that rang everyone together as a community. I would come back next year 100%.
Tell me a time, I'm coming in.
I've loved Dros Nos, it's been so much fun.
Cyfle pobl newydd, nawr pobl fi wedi blaen, a gweld y sioe o fewn profiad a hanner i weld y sioe.
Fy hoff thing amdan I gyd o fo oedd cael i'n adnabod pobl a cwrdd â pobl newydd a creu ffrindiau oeddwn ni byth yn meddwl oeddwn ni'n mynd i wneud.